Today, we are going to be reacting to the top funniest Pink Panther shows, Part 2. So what we got here? The War Pink Panther. Who's that? Is he a thief? Or is he a detective? Ooh, that's not smart. Ooh, what's he doing? He's hiding behind a wall. This is the Pink Panther. He's making a funny shape. Ooh, he's looking at him. What's he doing? He's putting something in his pocket. He escapes. Ooh, what's that?
Greetings, Agent Pink.
Ooh.
We're pleased you've accepted this most dangerous of spy missions.
Dangerous of spy
You say you're
mission?
not a spy. Perfect! That means no one will suspect you. This is a mission of vital
Ooh.
importance. You don't want to let your country down, do you?
Oh. I think the Pink Panther wants to do that.
Smashing news! Glad to have you aboard, Agent Pink. Now,
Ooh.
several blocks away is this large building. Atop this building, in an office, is this large safe.
Safe.
Concealed within is a computer disk of the utmost importance. Your
Ooh.
mission, retrieve this disk.
Okay.
Now then, Agent Pink, let's get you some proper spyware, shall we?
Ooh. What are they doing?
Not bad, a little tight. Additionally, we have prepared several devices for you that will
Wow.
aid you in your mission.
What a lot of
You must not use
devices.
the gadgets until you absolutely need them. A few
Okay.
more items of the utmost importance. This man will do anything to stop you. You must
Ooh.
avoid him at all costs.
Okay.
Once you have retrieved the disc, deliver it to this woman, one of our most trusted agents. Good luck,
Okay.
Agent Pink, and be alert. Your enemy could be anywhere.
Oh dear. And his hat is rolled. What's he doing? Oh, he can be invisible. Ooh. What's he doing?
Your opponent may use clever tricks to frighten you. Your equipment can assist you, such as the
Ooh.
one in your front left pocket.
Oh. Oh no. Ooh. What's happening? Ah. He's all blue. That was pretty funny.
That's a strange looking bird.
He's very kind. Oh dear. What's that?
Remember your spy gear. There is a
Ooh.
way out of any dead-end situation, Agent Pink.
Wow. What is that? Oh, a door. He can't get out. Oh dear. Oh dear. He falls down. Wait, he can fly? And the disturbance
You
comes
need
back.
assistance reaching the top floor. Fortunately, not all your devices are as innocent as they appear.
Let's play together.
Ooh.
I love you.
Oh dear.
I love you.
They have arrived. Oh. He crashes through the window.
There's a tough one. Good show, Agent Pink.
Oh dear.
Once you have retrieved the disc, you won't have much time to meet your contact. That jacket hardly goes with those shoes, don't you think?
Uh-oh. Who's that? Oh no, that's the thief. I hope he haven't given him the right one. Oh, that's the wrong one. Look at his smile.
Let's teach that villain once more what it means to be a spy.
Ooh. Ooh. So many different costumes. Ooh. What? Oh dear. And he gets picked up by the traffic. Ooh, I think the agent has come.
You brought the disc. Excellent work. Do you know how hard it is to find this song?
Music? Right, the next one. The mighty pink wood tree. That's a big tree. It's a tree house. The Pink Panther's drawing. Ooh, what was that? Never mind. What's that again? Oh dear. Huh. Ooh. He's gonna get a huge. Oh, who's that? Wow. Meanwhile, the Pink Panther is making steel. There we go. Oh dear. And he electrocutes himself. That doesn't sound nice. Ooh. A lawnmower? Who's that? Was it the Pink Panther? Oh. Oh. That was a lot of water. Back to his plan. The Pink Panther again. Oh dear. Then... Ooh, what's happening? He falls down. Ooh. Next plan. To shrink the tree. Oh, it shrunk. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. The tree grows back again. Now he gets the wood lice. They're going to be eating wood. Ooh. Ooh, they look like they're in love. And that stops the evil's plan. Now, what's that? Is that a beaver? What's happening? Ooh, is there anybody in? Okay, there's a beaver. Ooh. What's that smell? Wow. He's going in the house. He is frying for the beaver. Ooh, what's that? That's a wrecking ball machine. 3, 2. He's sweaty. Hit! Oh no! Ah! The wrecking ball cracked! And the machine! Oh. 6, 5, 10. Oh! He is also decomposed. 10, 10, 10. Now for other plans. Ooh, what plant does he have? Ah! Okay, pistols through the gate, through the window, and then he's trying to fly. Then he gets crashed by a commercial airliner. That doesn't sound nice. Now, what's this? That's a long piece of wood. Now, there. Now, what is that? Whoa! Now he goes building. Later, he makes a brand new bridge. What's that? Oh no, that's a tree! Back to the start again. Look how sad he is. Who's that? A Pink Panther? Ooh! Tunnel pass. They're all eating. They look very happy. Now, for the next one, the last one, cleanless is next to pinkless. The Pink Panther's tired, so he brushes his teeth. Then he goes and takes for a shower. Was he gonna get out? Oh. He gets his ducklings. He turns on some hot water and cold water to make it warm and takes a bath. Meanwhile, the ducks are having fun listening to music, But the neighbor is also having some water, having a shower. Ooh, it turns by itself. Ooh. And he freezes. It's bad that they're connected. Whoa. Ooh, he has a plan. What's he gonna get out? Not a monkey brushing teeth. Not a fat elephant. Ooh, wrenches. What's he gonna make? And a screwdriver. Oh. Oh dear. Meanwhile, he crashes through the window. There's a helicopter taking pictures. Ah! Oh dear, he falls down. Now, look. Ooh, the mouse having a shower. Now, what they're gonna do? Ooh. Ooh, what's that? He's gonna get out. He gets his refrigerator. Oh. And they get a nice ice lolly. Next one, what's this? Ooh, this is the ice making machine. Oh dear. Looks like the Pink Panther and his 3 ducklings are cold. Here comes the penguins. They're dancing. Oop. They all go. Right. Now, for this part. The ducklings are all in ice cubes. That's not good. Oh dear. Eats all his marshmallows. He's turning on the water. He's turning everything on water. Even his own fountain. There's no more water for him now. Ooh, that's a sucker. It's sucking everything. Ooh, that's the bad guy. He got a plan. He gets his feather and tickles him. And now he is like a piece of spaghetti. He takes all that off. Whoa, what's that? He takes the emergency for firefighter use fire hose. Whoa, that's very big. And they are off. Ooh. Hit. Bye-bye. And he's floating on a piece of log. Wait, he is at a dam. Maybe he can control the water. Let's see. That's what he's thinking. A dam, water pushing him. Pushing the Pink Panther off. Whoa! That's a big lake. And what's that? A monster? He's going surfing. Doing push-ups. 2 hands behind. Then he's floating in through a stream. Oh no! That's a lot of these pipes blowing up. Oh dear. He's trying to pull it back. It's no use, he broke it. Fire in the hole! His roof gets blown up. But the Pink Panther always finds out a way. See? That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and put a like on it. See you.